All right, I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to show you how to create a name for yourselves from the Create From selection, and I'm under the Formulas tab. All right, so I want this name to go into this cell. So I want this cell to be named employee name. I want this cell to be named current age. I want this cell to be named retirement age and so forth. And that's because I'm going to use it later instead of saying, all right, F4 equals D4. I don't want to do that. I want F4 to equal employee name, which is D4. Okay, anyway, so here you go. What you need to do on your Mac, Excel 2019, and for clarification, I have a Mac M1. Select the first one, use Shift, and go to the bottom of the columns that you want to include in this and select them. So again, the left side is what I want to name the cell, and the cells, this column, are the cells that are going to have that name. So John Jones, although I can see that in the cell, the cell name is going to be employee name instead of D4. All right, you can use both, but that's what we're going to do. All right, so now what do I do? Now that I have them selected, I'm going to go up here and hit Create from Selection, and I'm going to select the Create Names in the left column. So what's going to happen if I do it right is everything in D through 18 is going to be called the name of whatever is showing up in the C column. So let's give it a shot. All right, so no errors. Life is good. All right, so let me see if I can figure out how I can prove it. So John Jones, if I look up here, this is the name box field, and notice it already says employee. So if I go to 25, it should say current age. So if I go to the left right here, it says name box is current age. So one more, retirement age, retirement right here to the left. So just keep looking right here and you'll see it. So current salary. So every time I click on one of these, if I go to the left, you'll see the name of the cell. All right, now what about the empty ones? Because I was a little worried about what was going to happen to the empty ones. So C5 is empty, D5 is empty, and it stays empty. So because there's no information in this cell does not get a name. And that's all you have to do. I think that worked out pretty good. Thank you. See you later. Bye.